Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to SmartGov Summit, Jaipur. So, ma'am, let me begin by asking you, when you speak of SmartGov, I mean e-governance and smart governance. So, you are representing Goa. So, how Goa has evolved? Goa government's works have evolved when you speak of governance, or how technology has reshaped that.
So, typically, the state that I come from, for us, the two pillars of our state are mines and tourism. So, of course, the AI ML wave has taken big time, and in the tourism sector, we are doing quite some projects which are around AI ML, from understanding preferences of the tourists who come to the state, to analyzing what kind of services that we need to give in the tourism sector, to understanding key mines in which areas will be profitable and in which would cause hindrances to the society at large. So AI, ML, pattern recognitions, all of these are going big time in the state.
So, do you think the government has everything has achieved when you speak of government, and still there are long ways to go?
IT and transformations is a never-ending path. These journeys just keep evolving, by the day. As we said, we started off, कुछ दिन जब हम पहले शुरू करते थे तो हम सिर्फ यही सोचते थे कि how many services we need to bring online. Today it is no more about number of services. Now it is what kind of ease are you giving the public who is accessing. Do you really even need those services, are the questions that we are asking. So there is this transition, and evolution will keep happening through.
So, ma'am, in the government department, there are various senior government officials also, there are clerks and other workers also who might be from the 80s or 90s. Okay. So, do you think they are eager to learn technology or deploy or is it how difficult or how easier it has become that they have adopted the way to deploy technology?
आई थिंक ये सवाल बहुत रेलेवेंट होता करीब 10 साल पहले, क्योंकि तब स्मार्टफोन्स इतने नहीं लेवरेज करता था पब्लिक. टुडे तब ये सवाल वी हैव डेल्ट विद दिस एट दैट जंक्चर, कि जब लोग ऐसे होते थे कि जिनको कंप्यूटर से एवर्जन होती थी कि नहीं भाई, हम कुछ हो जाएगा अगर हम ये टाइप कर देंगे, कुछ हो जाएगा इफ़ वी डू दिस. आई थिंक उस पड़ाव को हम पार कर चुके हैं. आज स्मार्टफोन्स ने ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत आसान कर दी है फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. वो जो ईज़ ऑफ यूज़ एंड एक्सेसिबिलिटी है, ये बहुत हद तक हम कवर कर चुके हैं. तो वो बेसिक माइंडसेट चेंज अब इतना नहीं हमें डिस्टर्ब करता. अब तो सिर्फ ये होता है कि अरे हम अगर प्राइवेट में कोई चीज़ अगर बैठे बैठे ले सकते तो वैसे गवर्नमेंट में क्यों नहीं ले सकते. ये एक्सपेक्टेशन सिटीज़न की मीट करना अब ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो रहा है.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your time.